YouTube. Welcome back to yesterday's tractors. Today we're actually looking at a sled. Figured switch things up a little bit. We'll still do lots of work with tractors, but in case there's some of you that rather, sledding videos, working on sleds, riding sleds, I figured I'd try to do some of that. I'll have, quads and three-wheelers in the summer. So today we're looking at my Ski-Doo Blizzard 9700. So you can see it's in pretty rough shape right now. It runs good, everything, I use it, but I do plan on doing a fair bit of work to it. Like, as you can see, the hood is cracked and it's broken down the hinges here. So I'm gonna fix that, probably not till summer. And when it's warm out, I'll put fiberglass patch on. That shouldn't be too big a deal. We'll see what it's like to fix the cracks. I might end up just buying new decals, sanding the whole hood down, patching the cracks with fiberglass, and then putting body filler, building it back up with body filler, smooth it out real nice, repaint it, re-decal it, but hopefully it doesn't come to that, but we'll see. It'll be whatever is most cost effective and looks best, because they're really like these Blizzards. Second one I've had a 5500. Unfortunately it just never worked well for me. It was pretty rough when I got it and just gave up on it. It wasn't much fun. Looked cool, just didn't have the power. 503 fan cool. This has a 521cc liquid cool engine in it. Lift the hood for you. No airbox on it right now. Doing some carb work. You have to turn the fuel off when it's not running. Well, if you're going to let it sit for any more than half an hour, otherwise it'll flood itself. So probably could use some carb kits. Have the carbs rebuilt. I rebuilt the whole engine last year, top to bottom. Crank bearings were good. I had them inspected. So I did new seals on the crankshaft. And then new pistons, new rings, cylinders were good, so they're standard bore. New head gasket, everything like that. Cylinder base gasket, exhaust gaskets, they're all new. But, haven't checked the compression this year. I had 135, 140, I forget which now, after break-in, which is pretty good. Pretty happy with that. The engine doesn't lack power for sure. It runs good. These engines are known to run quite hot. They have a really high power band. Makes them a lot of fun, but you gotta be careful. You can't really run them on glare ice. You need a bit of powder, something to get up on the coolers. Otherwise you'll overheat it. Seat is also very bad. There's actually no board under that right now. I have the cover. Cover's in good shape. What I need to do is cut out a new piece of plywood, dry out the foam, and re-staple the cover over it. The track blew off on it first week I had it. Put a new track, another used track on it. This track's not in too bad a shape. It's got some weather cracking. But when the track blew off, it took off the bumper, the tail light, and the snow flap, unfortunately. I have the snow flap, I gotta be able to fix all that. I have parts Blizzard. It's 5500, but I can get the bumper and tail light off of that. So it's all fixable, it's just a matter of time. This kind of stuff's not real fun to work on in the winter. I don't really have a good shop. I just work in one of those Shelter Logic tent garages, which is night and day from working outside. You get lights hanging off in the roof, and you're out of the wind, so you got good lighting. You can work any time of day, and no heat. A little electric heater helps a little bit. It's really not too bad compared to for years before that. I worked on everything outside. I had a lamp I would stick in the snow and work on it like that, but did a few engine swaps that way. So even just the tent shed's a way better, but anyway, so let's see if it'll start. The primer is not hooked up to anything right now. The T broke on it, so I don't run the primer right now. I just use the chokes. You can't see them on camera, but it's got two little choke levers on top of the carburetors. So I have the chokes on. See how many pulls it'll take to start it. See if I can start it without putting the camera down. I'm gonna guess about 5 pulls. There we go. Got twin pipes on it, so it's pretty loud. Let it warm up for a minute here. I would like to take you for a ride on it, but I haven't gotten my GoPro set up on my helmet yet. So when I do, we'll be able to go for a ride. For now, see it run a little bit, maybe take you for a ride on just around the yard while I hold my camera. In the bottom end. Probably again something with the carburetors. So there we go. Can't really open it up when I got one hand on the bars and one hand on the phone. So this is basically just an introduction to it. I'm gonna have more videos and working on it and writing it both. Hopefully within the next few days. So yeah, if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. We work on snow machines and tractors. I got 4 tractors right now. There's one of them over there, Matthew Ferguson 35. The other 2 aren't on the property right now, they're down at the rental property. But yeah. So we'll see you next time.